this video you'll learn how to make this cute little 4x4 square. You can see I've used it in my scrap yarn blanket that I'm making. It's cute, it's got like a trellisy garden feel to it. So I'm using Stylecraft Special DK acrylic in toy with a 4mm hook, and we're going to start with a double magic circle, and then we're going to make a US single, UK double, and chain 5. And that's our repeat. We're going to do that 3 more times. So we're going to make a US single, UK double, chain 5. Make another US single, UK double, and chain 5. And then we're going to make our last stitch and chain 5. We're now going to pull the circle tight. So pull the tail end, see which loop tightens first, pull that loop, and then pull the tail. And then we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch. That can sometimes be a bit tricky to see. There we go, and there's round 1. So we're going to slip stitch up to the middle of this chain 5 space. So we're going to slip stitch into the chain once and then twice. We're then going to chain 1, and we're going to start round 2. So we're going to make the corners the same as we did on round 4. On round 1, we're going to make a US single, UK double, and then chain 5. And go back into that same space with another US single, UK double. We're then going to chain 3 and go into the next corner. So we're going to make a US single, UK double, chain 5, and make another US single, UK double into that same chain space. So that's our second corner made. We're going to chain 3 and then go into the next corner, a US single, UK double, chain 5, into the same space with another US single, UK double, and then chain 3. Into the next corner, US single, UK double, chain 5, and into the same space with another US single, UK double, chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch into the first US single, UK double that we made. So that's the end of round 2. We're now going to start round 3. So we're going to slip stitch up the chain again. So we're going to go once and twice. Then going to chain 1, and we're going to make the corners the same as the last 2 rounds. So we're going to make a US single, UK double, chain 5, and then a US single, UK double in that same space. We're then going to chain 3, and we're going to make a US single, UK double into the chain 3 space from round 2. Chain 3, and we're going to make the next corner. So a US single, UK double, chain 5, and the US single, UK double again, chain 3, and into the chain 3 space we make a US single, UK double, chain 3, into the corner, US single, UK double, and chain 5. US single, UK double into that same space again, and chain 3. Into the chain 3 space we make a US single, UK double, and chain 3. We're then going to go into, that will be our last corner now, we're going to make a US single, UK double, chain 5, and a US single, UK double into the same space, chain 3, and then a US single, UK double into the chain 3 space from the round before, chain 3, and we're back at the beginning. So we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch we made, and then slip stitch into the chain space, not into the chain, just into the space. So that's round 3, sorry. To start round 4, we're going to make a granny square round. So we're already in that first corner. We're going to make our first, we've chained 1 into the chain space. We're just going to make the first 2 stitches. So we're going to make your first US double, UK treble, however you like, and then we're going to make another one. We're then going to chain 2, and we're going to make 3 more US doubles, UK trebles into that corner space. After those 3 stitches, we're going to hop across into the next chain 3 space and make 3 stitches. After 3 stitches, into the next chain 3 space, 3 more stitches. After 3 stitches, you'll be back at the next corner, and we'll make 3 stitches, chain 2, 3 stitches, and we're going to go like that all the way around. So I'll see you back at the end of the round. So I'm just coming up to the end of the round. I'm just making the last 3 stitches in the chain 3 space. And now I'm back to the first corner. So remember, we only did 2 stitches at the beginning, so we can go in and make that 3rd stitch now, and then slip stitch across to join. And you'll notice it'll all start to pull out the latticey pattern now. And I'll see you in the next video.